how pretty this looks. Cabin in the woods. I don't see any metal or screws here, so I'm rather impressed. But I did see cigarette butts. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this. Yeah, I'm glad that they did that there because it just looked so bad. And with the roof on the cottages. So I ended up removing the brown thing that they had there and replaced it with this. So either I have enough or I don't. So this is what it looks like from here. It looks narrower than what it actually is. Let me see if you get a better angle this way. Yeah, see, over here you get more of the width. I don't know why it does that. But I am loving it. Oh my goodness. So the Patchy Sandra, I have never ever been a fan. So I don't know if they're going to stay there. I find that they're a really pesky, invasive type of plant. Not only do they spread and anchor themselves down, but the seed also leaves little babies everywhere. And I don't know that I want to be doing that. So I just want to take a good look at this because this is my first time seeing it too. So I believe I have another black-eyed Susan here. So these are going to be a problem because the groundhogs love them. So we'll see. This is a little low over here, or at least it looks like it from there. I don't know if I might raise it a little bit. So just with another bag of soil here and that area there where I finished off, because I would have preferred, and I can see it's a little lower. And I am going to put some daffodil bulbs in here. Over there I don't have anything. I want to see how tall the hibiscus grow before I put something there. So this is white with a burgundy center, yellow, pink, yellow, purplish, burgundy, yellow, white. Those are pink over there. They're going to be in bloom in about a week or so. So just tucking a little thing here or there, maybe some hens and chicks. Okay, the rain's coming again, and this is blue liatris. What I may end up doing is putting a little bit, okay, this gives me some shelter. What I may end up doing is putting some rounded rocks there in that area just to separate it where the green space is over there, just to separate it from the other stuff. I don't know if I'll keep the mulch. The mulch is so pesky. Over here we'll keep it because the kids, yeah. But over there I'd rather keep the green space over on that side, and then I can always decide what I'm going to put there. If anything, it could be a garden, could be, I don't know. But I'm really excited. Okay, I'm going to run in because it's coming down. We were supposed to have some thunderstorms at 12 o'clock, and it sprinkled a little bit, but we really didn't get much. So I think it's coming down now. There were supposed to be thunderstorms from 12 till around 4. So I'm going to skedaddle. I'm going to go in, have a bite to eat, assess the situation, check the weather, of course, and decide what I'm going to do. So let me know what you think of the garden below and my plans for this area. If you have any suggestions, please do drop them below, and I will definitely take them into consideration. What I do find is that here it's a different climate, and some of the plants do well, and others exceptionally well, and others not so well. So I have to play with some of these things. Yeah. So really excited about this garden, my goodness. And this is just perfect. You know, I was going to bring out the host to just give them a little sprinkle. They'll be happy anyway because they have new soil. But yeah, this is perfect. I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support. Please drop me a comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.